We all know that battling the COVID 19 pandemic is the most pressing challenge of our generation. Even the most technologically advanced countries are struggling in this fight. I am Vaishnavi, a data scientist trying to solve the effective management of the 5Ts data. The 5Ts, namely testing, tracing, treatment, teamwork, and tracking, have proved to be the most effective counterattack. Contact tracing helps to identify people who are in the primary, secondary, or tertiary contact with the infected person. Tracking helps to identify the geographical entities like the places and establishments visited by the infected person. What immediately follows tracing is quarantining of the individuals who are traced to be in the first few degrees of connection with the infected person and subject them to testing. The testing sample must then be sent to designated labs and the results approximately arrive in 2 to 4 days. The state bodies like the police, healthcare workers, doctors, and hospitals are limited in their capacity. These resources need to be rapidly dispatched to the next epicenter of the breakout in time. Each of the 5Ts generate a lot of crucial data, but the disjoint and the non-unified data management has made the enforcement and the effectiveness of the 5Ts harder and less effective. The performance of the traditional database systems like RDBMS degrades as the size of the data grows and the degrees of the joins increase. Handling extremely connected and complex datasets requires a different approach to store, query, and manage them. Modeling this complex data as graphs and using a graph database to power the complex queries and using it as a feeding mechanism for machine learning systems helps to mitigate the shortcomings of the traditional database systems. They are the best way to model datasets with very high degree of connectedness. While the graph model makes it very intuitive to perform multi-level deep joins by just traversing the nodes and edges, the graph databases offer superior performance while analyzing the data and to obtain deep insights to enable effective and immediate action. This superior performance is not just a game changer for rapid decision making for the governments, but can also power citizen apps like Arogya Setu with more smart and powerful features. The real-time analysis of the complex data sets powered by graph databases along with machine learning systems can help better capabilities than the existing apps. These apps can be used to trace the hotspots and risk levels in real time. While I just shared how the public can benefit, governments and other health organizations like WHO can immensely benefit by banking upon the deep data insights for rapid and effective decision making in ways which are not possible by relying on traditional data management systems. This can also identify cumulated risk of individual exposure and prompt proactive quarantine guidelines. As we fight through the worst hit crisis since the Second World War, taking faster and smarter data driven decision holds the key for survival and success. Thank you.